Hi, tonight I wanted to tell you about my favorite website to find unique and interesting things to do on trips. So I am on atlasobscura.com, and there's the spelling for you. And on this site, they have a lot of cool things. You can search by any place you want. So you put in the place you want to go, and we are going to Singapore next. So we're going to put Singapore in. And then it tells you that it has a destination guide with 78 places. What I love about this site is it starts with unusual attractions. I have found some really unique, some of the best experiences and coolest things we've ever done on this site. And you can see it also has options for food and drink, a map, different stories and stuff, but this page, the landing page, is my very favorite, and everybody should use it anytime you are going somewhere new. And it gives you a lot of interesting things like a Buddha tooth relic temple and museum. I find really cool things here, so check it out.